The murder charges against Public Service and Gender Cabinet Secretary Aisha Jumwa and Cohen's widow Sarah Cohen will no longer proceed after the Director of Public Prosecutions dropped their matters. The DPP says that there's lack of evidence to allow for prosecution, therefore quashing the cases. Kevin Mutai reports on these high-profile cases that have the accused crying freedom at last.
The Director of Public Prosecution has withdrawn murder charges against Cohen's widow Sarah Wairimu. State Counsel Wangui Gishohi told the court that they seek not to proceed with the matter on grounds that there is lack of sufficient evidence. Justice Daniel Ogembo had that the case will however proceed as an inquest, inviting all parties to testify before the court. Wairimu was charged in 2019 after the body of Cohen was discovered inside a septic tank in his home. Elsewhere, murder charges against Public Service and Gender Cabinet Secretary Aisha Jumwa has also been dropped by the DPP. The prosecutor told Justice Anne Ongijo that the DPP has decided to turn CS Jumwa into a state witness. The court also ruled that the CS must appear before the court in person on the 21st of December 2022, when fresh charges will be presented. The matter will proceed, leaving her bodyguard Geoffrey Okuto as the main suspect.
The police took magazines and picked 5 guns for analysis. When we looked at the ballistic report, there was no indication that Aisha Jumwa had a gun.
DPP has in one resolve entered an ole prosecute, which is an indication that the case, the murder charge as against His Excellency the Cabinet Secretary Aisha Jumwa has been terminated.
The state has also launched a bid to extradite former Finance Minister Chris Okemo to the United Kingdom to face charges over the alleged theft of 1.5 billion shillings. The court ruled that the DPP had failed to convince the court on why Okemo should be taken to the island of Jersey for trial. Justice Roslyn Oganyo stated that the witnesses failed to testify before the court, therefore failing to persuade her on why she should allow the extradition process. Okemo was on the Royal Court of Jersey list of wanted individuals in the UK, alongside former managing director of the Kenya Power and Lightning Company, Samuel Gishuru, over charges of accepting bribes from foreign organizations. At least for all the accused, it is freedom at last.
We are also filing a petition shortly, calling upon the DPP to review the decision to charge one Ahmed Rashid.
Kevin Mutai, NTV.